Imagine this. One day, you wake up, and disaster has struck. Your car is wrecked, your house is flooded, or a sudden medical emergency hits you hard. Panic sets in. But then you remember, you have insurance. Relief washes over you, but there's one major problem. How do you file a claim and ensure you get the maximum payout without delays or denials? Understanding how to file an insurance claim correctly can mean the difference between getting the compensation you deserve and dealing with endless frustration. This step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Step 1. Assess the situation and gather evidence. Before you even contact your insurance company, take a deep breath and assess the damage. If it's a car accident, take clear photos of the vehicles involved, the surrounding area, and any injuries. If it's property damage, capture images from multiple angles. If it's a medical claim, keep all hospital records, prescriptions, and medical bills. The more evidence you have, the stronger your claim will be. Step 2. Contact your insurance provider immediately. Insurance companies expect prompt reporting. Most policies have a time frame for filing claims. Missing the deadline could result in a denied claim. When you call your provider, be ready to provide your policy number, details of the incident, and any initial evidence. Keep a record of all conversations, including the name of the representative and the time of the call. Step 3. Understand your policy and coverage. Before accepting any settlement or making assumptions, review your policy. Know what is covered and what isn't. Check for deductibles, exclusions, and payout limits. Many people accept lower payouts simply because they don't understand their rights. If something seems unclear, ask your provider for clarification. Step 4. File the claim and submit required documents. Your insurance company will provide claim forms that you must complete. Accuracy is key. Fill in all details correctly, attach supporting documents, and submit them as instructed. Any missing information can cause delays or even rejection of your claim. Step 5. Work with the insurance adjuster. Once your claim is filed, the insurance company will assign an adjuster to investigate. This person assesses the damage and determines how much the company should pay. Be cooperative but cautious. Stick to the facts and never exaggerate claims. If the adjuster undervalues your claim, you have the right to dispute it. Step 6. Keep track of communication and follow up. Insurance claims can take time. Stay proactive. Keep records of every email, letter, and phone call. If you don't hear back within the expected time frame, follow up. Persistence can speed up the process and show the company that you are serious about your claim. Step 7. Negotiate if necessary. If your insurance provider offers a payout that seems too low, don't be afraid to negotiate. Provide additional evidence if needed. If negotiations fail, consider hiring a claims adjuster or attorney who specializes in insurance disputes. Many claims are initially underpaid but increase when policyholders push back. Step 8. Receive your payout and finalize the claim. Once your claim is approved, the insurance company will issue your payout. This can be a lump sum, a reimbursement, or a direct payment to service providers, depending on the type of claim. Review the payment details and confirm that the amount matches your agreement before closing the claim. Filing an insurance claim may seem complicated, but with the right approach, you can maximize your payout and minimize stress. Preparation, documentation, and persistence are key. Have you ever faced issues with an insurance claim? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss crucial financial tips like these. See you in the next video.